Retroviruses, Hidden Genetic Invaders, Introduction. When delving into the microscopic world, one encounters wondrous entities that defy traditional scientific classifications. Among these marvels are retroviruses, elusive and mysterious beings that do not merely exist in the margins of life, but actively infiltrate the depths of the genetic fabric of living creatures. Retroviruses stand as one of the most intricate and astonishing examples of biological systems, bearing secrets that, upon careful reflection, reveal profound indicators of the magnificence of the Creator and the deliberate wisdom behind the design of all existence. What are retroviruses? Retroviruses are a type of virus that carry their genetic material in the form of ribonucleic acid, RNA, rather than deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. What sets them apart is their remarkable ability to reverse the typical flow of genetic information. Instead of the conventional transcription from DNA to RNA, retroviruses reverse this process by utilizing an enzyme known as reverse transcriptase to convert their RNA into DNA inside the host cell. This reversed process stands as a testament to the ingenuity inherent within biological systems and serves as a clear indication that such complexity is not the result of randomness, but rather of precise and deliberate creation. Discovery of retroviruses. The history of retrovirus discovery dates back to the 19th century, when scientists first noticed tumors spreading in chickens and mice through infectious agents. In later decades, especially during the 20th century, deeper investigations led to the identification of these viruses and the uncovering of their unique mechanism involving reverse transcription. The discovery of reverse transcriptase in the early 70s of the 20th century was a pivotal scientific event, confirming that some viruses could reverse the traditional flow of genetic information, thus opening new doors in the understanding of the fundamental structure of life. Characteristics of retroviruses. Retroviruses possess several unique characteristics that distinguish them from other viruses. Among the most prominent are integration with the host genome. After entering the host cell, the virus converts its RNA into DNA and inserts it into the host's genome. This makes it a permanent part of the host's genetic material. Chronic infections. Due to their integration into the genome, retroviruses often cause persistent chronic infections that are difficult to eradicate. Genetic variation. Retroviruses are characterized by a high rate of genetic mutation, enabling them to adapt swiftly to new environments and evade immune defenses. Reflecting upon these features reveals a profound truth. The complexity of these systems exceeds all probability of coincidence, affirming the existence of an all-wise creator who perfected the creation of every living being with utmost precision. Types of retroviruses. Retroviruses are classified into several major groups, the most notable of which are oncoviruses. Retroviruses capable of causing tumors and cancers in animals and humans by altering the genetic instructions of host cells. Lentiviruses, including the virus responsible for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. These viruses have a slow incubation period and primarily target the immune system. Spumaviruses, characterized by their non-typical behavior among retroviruses with unclear pathological effects. Each of these types presents a unique example of biological diversity, reaffirming that this precise variety can only stem from deliberate, purposeful creation. Retroviruses and the evolution of life. Some scientific theories suggest that retroviruses have played a significant role in the evolution of life by inserting new genetic material into host organisms, leading to the emergence of new traits over time. While such theories remain under constant review, the presence of retroviruses in the genomes of many living beings supports the idea that life is dynamic, continuously evolving, and intricately designed. Yet, whether through the lens of evolution or through direct observation of biological systems, the intricate design of retroviruses and their interactions with the genetic codes of living beings continue to reflect the undeniable presence of an all-knowing, all-powerful creator who crafted existence with unparalleled mastery and wisdom. Part 2. Mechanism of action of retroviruses. The action of retroviruses begins when the virus particle binds to the surface of a host cell. Through specialized proteins, the virus fuses its envelope with the cell membrane and releases its contents into the interior of the cell. Among the most critical contents are the viral RNA and the enzyme reverse transcriptase, which plays a fundamental role in the viral replication cycle. Once inside the cell, reverse transcriptase converts the viral RNA into complementary DNA, cDNA. This newly formed DNA is then transported into the host's nucleus, where it integrates into the host's genetic material through another viral enzyme called integrase. From this point onward, the viral DNA becomes a part of the host's genome, and the cell begins to transcribe and translate viral genes as if they were its own. This miraculous mechanism reveals a hidden world of precision, planning, and perfect design, all of which bear witness to the unparalleled creativity of the creator. Life cycle of retroviruses. The life cycle of retroviruses is composed of several consecutive stages. Attachment and entry. The virus attaches to specific receptors on the host cell surface and enters the cell through fusion or endocytosis. Reverse transcription. Viral RNA is converted into DNA inside the cytoplasm. Integration. Viral DNA is integrated into the host genome, becoming a permanent part of it. Transcription and translation. The host machinery produces viral proteins and new RNA copies. Assembly and release. New viral particles are assembled and exit the cell to infect other cells, continuing the cycle. The elegance of these stages and their seamless execution in succession are a profound reflection of the meticulous engineering that governs life at its smallest scales, leaving no room for randomness or chaos. The impact of retroviruses on genes. Retroviruses exert profound influences on host genes, and their presence within the genome can lead to both beneficial and harmful changes. Genetic diversity. By inserting themselves into the genome, retroviruses contribute to the generation of genetic diversity. Some retroviral insertions have been adapted by host organisms for new biological functions, such as the development of the placenta in mammals. Oncogenesis. In other cases, the insertion of retroviral DNA into critical genes may lead to disruptions that trigger uncontrolled cell growth, resulting in cancer. Chronic diseases. Some chronic diseases are believed to be linked to ancient retroviral insertions that alter gene expression or immune system functions. These varied effects underscore the delicate balance that governs biological systems, revealing a divine engineering that carefully manages risks and benefits with incomparable mastery. Retroviruses and the environment. Retroviruses not only impact individual organisms, but also influence ecosystems as a whole. Through their ability to transfer genes across species boundaries and affect evolutionary paths, retroviruses act as hidden agents driving biological diversity and adaptation. They also play a role in the regulation of natural populations. By weakening certain individuals or influencing reproductive capacities, retroviruses contribute to maintaining ecological balance within nature, following a profound system that reflects the precise will and command of the Creator. Conclusion. The study of retroviruses opens before us a hidden world, teeming with wonder and intricacy. Their unique mechanisms, profound effects on genes, and influential roles in ecosystems serve as luminous signs pointing to the greatness of God and the exquisite precision inherent in His creation. Every retrovirus that infiltrates a cell, every strand of RNA that is transformed into DNA, and every genetic integration that alters the course of life, all of these events are not mere coincidences. Rather, they are signs embedded in the depths of existence, calling upon those who reflect to recognize the wisdom and might of the Creator of the universe. Indeed, contemplating retroviruses and their wondrous systems invites hearts and minds to deeper faith and greater awe of the One who fashioned all things with wisdom beyond human comprehension. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to get our latest videos.